I'm going to be showing you the best places to visit in Switzerland. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start off with going to Merten, and that is part of the canton of Freiburg in Switzerland. So you can see around me there's a bunch of little stores. You can just go window shopping. There's clothes and there's bakeries. What'd you get?
He's eating Mittelkuchen, cream puff.
Do you like it? We are now going up the stairs to go to the fortress in Norton. A war was there. And then the town Merten is right next to Lake Merten. Did you have a nice day at the lake?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know. Walking.
The next stop that we're going to is called the Bieler See.
This village is called Erla.
This is the village that, it's not in Biel, but it's a village near Biel. It's near the lake in Biel.
There's a campground here.
What'd you say?
Don't step into the horse
Mom.
shit.
So this is where the dock is, and that's, yeah, people have little boats and then they go take them out to the lake.
So you can go onto 3 lakes because 3 of them are connected.
What are they called?
Bielersee, Murtensee, Neuenburgersee. This is a very popular place where field trips are with schools, even the little ones, and the teachers will take them out and they will learn about those sticky tadpoles and
Yeah, this is water underneath all this grass.
yeah. Well, there's like mud, it's wetland.
This is the hiking path. We're still, that's the lake right there, so we got a lot more to walk. Look, you can sit down or you can go on a picnic. And then some people live here if you want isolation, solitude. But if you want that, this would be a perfect place to live. I think these are birch trees.
Imagine someone sitting home mumbling and cackling instead of paying.
Live too.
Oh yeah, there's a famous philosopher. What's his name?
Jean-Jacques Rousseau.
So if you have money, this is a nice hotel to stay at, as you can see. It's a Swiss historic hotel, and it's also a typically Swiss hotel. It's like certified. This is the famous philosopher guy. Pretty cool. It's very hidden, secluded. I think if you were just to ask someone, they'd know where it is. Hello, cool. Oh, look at the baby. Aww. Yeah.
That's Theo, right?
Hey. We are now eating at my grandpa's favorite fish place. And we have fish and chips, more fish and chips, and the salad.
Bye. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What the hell?
I'm back with my food review. This is the 20 McNuggets, which I'm not going to be eating all of it. I got that, and then I have some fries here. And we're going to try some of the sauces. We have sauce creamy deluxe, potato sauce, which is like kind of like ranch. It's kind of like tartar sauce. It's a mixture of both. And then we have ketchup. The last thing is the curry sauce, which is really popular in Switzerland. So we're gonna dip a chicken nugget in all these sauces and try them out. So I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. We have ketchup. That's like a 10 out of 10. And then now curry sauce, which I've never tried before. So I would give it a 7 out of 10. I got a donut with Nutella. Donut gefolgt mit Nutella. So let's try this. It's very fluffy to the donut. It tastes like something from my childhood. I think I might be remembering it as this type of cookie. 10 out of 10. The next place to visit is called Freeburg. It's some sort of festival in the city. That's for kids, families. There's another college in Freeburg called College St. Michel. I think it's like a religious private school or something. I don't know if it's private, but that's a religious school. This is the whole map of the university. So the next place to visit is Bern. It is the capital of Switzerland, and I think it also is the biggest canton in Switzerland. Also in Bern, they mainly speak Swiss German, so if you know High German or English, you'll probably be able to make it here in Bern. Unlike in Freiburg, it's mainly French and English. So these all say women here, right here at the entrance, which means that if you're like an alone woman or something, you can park here, and it's right next to the entrance, just especially for night. So like honestly, stay in Switzerland for that. This is the entrance to the train station, so there's a lot of parking. This rock used to be part of the Bernese town fortification in the Middle Ages. Here we see the remains of the inner ditch wall. Look, it was founded back in the 1200s. It was on this red part, and then all of these are expansions of the main town. And it's like a peninsula. It was on the Ahr Peninsula. This is the Ahr River.
Hey, hi, hello, what?
What time is it?
Well, according to this.
I feel like they have such a wide selection here. Because in the regular JCPenney or Macy's that we have, I feel like we don't have this amount of arts and crafts and stuff like that. up and kids will be playing in here, but it's very cool today, so no one's in their swimsuits. Okay, so basically all the other buildings are like banks. Like that one's a bank, pretty sure that one's a bank, and there's another bank, and there's another bank, and this is a bank, and I'm gonna try this. It's a bear. And off with their head. That's really good. It's like a shortcake bread, you know? Did you used to work here?
Yes, I did.
Can you take your mask
When I
off?
was 16 to like 18.
Your apprenticeship, right?
Yes, my apprenticeship at the Stauffacher
Was it nice?
library. Yes, it was nice.
What'd you
I
do?
was not inside the bookstore. I was in the office where we got the books and we had to process the invoices from the books.
Doing renovations on the university right now, so it doesn't really look full and complete. This is the Universitat, I think I said that right, of Bern. We are at the next place to visit. It is called the City of Thun, and this is the Thuner Sea. It's a really big lake. There's so many different little towns. So the city of Thun is over there, and this is just kind of like up on the mountain. Over there, that is where Interlaken is at the end of the lake. That's where the rich people go to. So we stopped at this hotel restaurant Panorama. Apparently it's really good, right?
Yes, it's very good.
The food was really nice. The like sauce for the chow mein was different. Like it wasn't teriyaki sauce, but it was still good. Aww. We're on a bridge.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Leave a like. If this video gets 1 million likes, I'll jump off. I got a crepe and ice cream. The next place to visit is the city of Basel. Okay, we are now going into my cousin's apartment in Basel. She lives with her boyfriend too, and it's a super cute apartment. In Basel, it's very like like an artist's dream, I guess. There's a lot of art schools, art museums, stuff like that. So if you're into any type of art, literature, painting, music, all that stuff, Basel is a perfect city for you. Oh, that's our tram. Look at that, they have a Dunkin' Donuts. So this is the Rhine River, and then that's like a cathedral church.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
in any kind of city in Switzerland, they have a lot of trams, and those will not stop. If you walk in front of it, you're gone, basically. Like, there's a really low chance of them actually being able to stop in time before hitting you.
Watch,
so.
look, we'll try it.
Okay guys, so the last place to visit is the mountains, of course. We are in a new mountain. I don't think we've ever been here before. It is called Albolden, but this is a really pretty mountain, and we are at the like tram center. So obviously just want to say that Switzerland is very expensive, and I'm really grateful to have this opportunity to be able to like travel around Switzerland and be able to really enjoy my time. So if you guys are ever planning on going to Switzerland, be prepared to make sure you have a lot of money saved up, because it is definitely a lot of money. I don't know exactly how much I would recommend to you. It depends on what you're gonna do, or what you wanna do, or where you're gonna even stay, what you're gonna eat, everything. But I have definitely enjoyed my time here, and I just wanted to share the beauty of Switzerland with you guys. This is what mac and cheese looks like in Switzerland. It's pasta and potatoes. I'm gonna try the Alper macaroni. It's good. I have my helmet on, and we're gonna take this. So we're back up again, and now we're having some more food because we're very tired. Also, he fell down.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
We're back on it again. That looks so unreal. There's a cute little bridge. We're all putting our bikes down to walk on it. Apparently, there's zip lining you can do also. So, big tourist spot, I guess. And apparently you can bungee jump too. Well, that was super fun. Like my family, they're going back on again. And we're just gonna go through the little village of Adelboden. So there's a lot of fashion stores, souvenir stores, watches, jewelers, bookstores, crafts, everything, you know? Okay, I'm trying this chocolate dessert. It's really cute, as you can see. I'm trying to focus it. Focus! Focus! Okay, well, it's not focusing. It's like a vanilla cream and then chocolate around. Ooh. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video of me showing all the different types of places and to visit and to eat in Switzerland. I hope this is pretty helpful for you guys. If you know anyone who's gonna go to Switzerland soon, please recommend this video. That would be really awesome of you. And also make sure you subscribe and leave a like and turn your post notifications. And also leave a comment what your favorite place was. And I hope you guys have a great day, morning, night, wherever you guys are. And I love you guys all.